Damingse! I love you!
Mommy, why do you always love Damingse?
Huh? He's my boyfriend before, but he doesn't know.
Mommy, are you breaking out at your only real husband? A real husband mo si Daddy.
Ha? Oo naman. Oh.
Pag na-separate ka, tinang mo.
Ah.
Pag na-separate ka kay Damingse, you kiss. I'm the only one who loves you all the time. Do you see me hugging you and kissing you?
Opo, yes.
Oh, and also I say I love you.
Si
to you.
Daoming si artista lang yan. Idol ko.
Yeah, but you're breaking up at Daddy.
Si Daddy? No. Daddy is ano yan, driver ko yan si Daddy mo.
Si Daddy, Mommy, real husband yan, si Daddy mo.
Siyempre naman, love ko yun. Si Daoming si idol, crush yun. Kasi,
Baka kasi baho yan si Daddy, that's why.
si Daddy mabaho.
Yeah, that's why you always smell him. That's why you're breaking up at Daddy. Gusto mo lang si Damingse. Before na-watch mo si Damingse, now you don't love Daddy, you're breaking up na?
Love ko si Daddy mo. Siyempre, he's my husband. He's nice. Oh.
Oh, dapat nice ka. Dapat sweet lang kayo. Like kissing, hugging.
Ganyan talaga?
Yeah.
Sige na, okay po.
Did you remember you got married with Daddy and you got two babies?
Aba, alam mo yung mga yan. Sino yung babies ko?
Ako and Ate Mish.
Oh, siyempre kayo yung love ko.
Ako lang yung artista mo, hindi si Damingse.
sige.
Di ba you call me artista?
Oh, sige na. Tama na. You talk too much eh. Tama na. It's
Siyempre,
okay.
daldal ako.
Oh, alam mo pala, madaldal ka. Good boy na yan. Love yan, love. Idol ko lang si Daomingse, ha? No? Idol ko lang yan. Artista yun. Oh. Ikaw yung love ko. Ikaw yung artista ko. Daomingse!
Dapat you love your own family. You
Oh
got
my
a
God,
family.
Bawal
You got
mag-idol?
married out of family.
Sige na, okay. Oh, okay po. Okay. Wala na akong karapatang mabuhay talaga. Bawal lang tumingin sa iba. Si Maverick
And
lang.
before I lived to your tummy.
Sige, dami mong alam talaga. Nakakainis na. Ganyan. Sige na, okay po. Bye. Bati na tayo. Oh, happy?
Yeah.
Happy na. Okay, be. Love you.